Guys, today we're playing Rivals for the first time ever, and I never made an Rivals video. But I kind of played this game off camera. Yeah, I don't have win streaks, but I don't care about win streaks, at least. I don't just get mad for the other person winning. Yeah, I'm getting cooked. Oh no! Oh no! He didn't damage me. He didn't damage me. If I win, the best player on the planet. Yes, I killed him. 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 Woo! 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 You think you can camouflage, huh? Huh? You think you can camouflage? Nah, I can find you, buddy. Buddy. Stupid. What do you think you're doing? What do you think you're doing, little bud? What do you think you're doing? Huh? Oh, you think you can flashbang me, huh? Huh? Where are you? Where are you, little scaredy cat? Oh my god! We have 5 reloads! And I'm gonna be cooked! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! What? What? Grenade launcher! Whoa, 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 whoa! Grenade launcher! Grenade launcher, the heck no! What? Is that a sniper? Is that a sniper? No, it isn't a sniper. Good damage! No. Is that an assault rifle? Is that assault rifle? If I get toasted by the assault rifle, I'm shoot. How? How the heck did he kill me? How the heck? Oh no! No! Ah! Where is he behind me? No! I'm actually bucked with him. Oh no! What? Yup. What? He's a frog! No! No! How? How did he kill me with an revolver? I swear. No! You're not killing me! You're not killing me with one. No! What? I regret doing this. How? Shut. What? What? Then he killed me. How the heck did he kill me? How the heck did he kill me? How the heck did he kill me? How the heck? What? Yeah, okay. Just then. Does anyone want to do in 1v1? Sniper? No. I don't want a sniper player to kill me. Really? But I need to fight the noob. Like an actual noob. I think this is it. Yeah, let's catch this noob. Yeah. Double tap. Challenge 1v1. Challenge 1v1. Yes, he accepted. This dude. Whoa, he's about to get cooked. Yeah. See my skill? Look at my skill. Look at my skill. Hey, what? No. Yes! He got freezed! He got froze! Because I killed him! Because I killed him! Now he's a frozen little noob. Oh! I gotta get to it! No! My helmet's up below! No, you can touch me! Nah! You can catch me! You can catch me! Damn! What? Grenade? Well, at least you don't have a sniper, little bud. And little bad with this. Oh my God! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What? 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 How did the little noob kill me? Guys, I'm not a noob. I'm seriously not a noob. I'm not a noob, guys. Just trust me. I'm gonna freeze him to death. Actually. Get cooked. Because you could be cooked. Oh, that's why he's playing like that. He's a little PC. Oh no! He's about to fly. No! You think you're about to stab me? Listen up! I'm gonna show you who I am. I'm gonna show you who I am. I'm gonna show you. Oh no! No, go away! I'm not getting someone! No. What? Wait, let me change the skin of the RPG. What? No, what is it? Oh, that's the best one. Sorry. No. I mean, without inserted, it'll be cool. So I'm gonna take this boost this number. I think that's good. Yeah, that's good. Wait. Insert it. Oh, the bell. Oh no. Just missing I am. Ooh. Kenny. Now I gotta do stairs. How about food? Nah. Cool. Let's play with someone.
Why are you shouting? Why?
I'm making a video. Please shut up. Making a video. You're ruining it.
You were here not shouting, but now you are here, fine, you are shouting.
Well, can you please leave and let me make a video?
No. Don't shout for now.
Finally, the stupid pope head got out of my video. Like, what the heck is he doing? No way. This noob is gonna beat us. No way. 2v1? Where we gotta cook him? I'm gonna cook him with the RPG. I'm gonna put it. Gotta please shut up.
Why are you abusing me? Should I tell your grandmother what you're telling me?
I got to show video.
Let's go.
تصرخ بصوت عالي ليه؟
got to show video.
الفيديو لازم يصرخ.
شوي
شوف فيديو.